Hello, my name is Emily and I was part of the Apple Training Center. And I worked on a quizzing app that primarily focused on helping students understand concepts and see how well they do based off of the content that they are taught in class. So here we have the landing page. This is basically what you see immediately you launch the app. So when you click on Get Started, you are taken to a login or a sign up. If you're new here, then you'd have to sign up. If you've been here before, then you just log in. So you can sign up to see how that works. So immediately you log in, you get to see now the homepage. The homepage has a recent quiz. This primarily is the last thing you did before you left the app or quit the application. So then we have featured quiz. So on this part is where you, each and every single day, it regenerates something different. So today's is not the same as tomorrow's or yesterday's. And you get 10 questions, so you can just randomly answer. Then after you finish now, you are redirected back to the home page where you can pick any questions from any category. So we have math, we can do algebra basics, we can do geometry, we can come back and decide to do science, we can do physics, and so on and so forth until the end. Then when you come to your profile, you get to see now the quizzes you've done, how correct you are, for how long you've maintained a daily streak, the ranking based off of all the users, then the budget you've earned, and now the recent activity.
Hi, my name is Daniela. I was part of the iOS Training Center and I worked on a project that allows users to see the various restaurants in school, and so they can see the food available, pre-order, then just go and collect it. My main idea when I thought of this app was to reduce the time wasted in queues, and also there's an uncertainty that comes with queuing for long. Then when you get to the counter, the food isn't there. So I'll basically run you through my app and show you how it works. So when the user opens the app, it takes them to this splash screen. Then you click here to get started. You log in with your Strath Eats credentials. So once you're logged in, you'll see this page that basically shows you the available restaurants in school. I'll click on one of the restaurants, so let's say Springs of Olive. Then you'll see the food they have available, the description of the food and the price of the food. So let's click here, sushi. Then we get a more detailed view of the food, the image there and the price. Then I have the option to add it to cart. So I can choose to go back, add another thing to my cart, or complete checkout. So when I go to complete checkout, this is my checkout screen. And here I have the total of my food, the option to pay using M-Pesa card or cash and pickup. So I can select M-Pesa. I'll be prompted to enter my phone number and my M-Pesa PIN. Then complete checkout. Then I'll be told that my order has been confirmed. Yeah, so that's my app.
Hi everyone, I am Edo Chisaka. I was part of the iOS development program, and this is my code to coverage of how I built an iOS car or automotive insurance app and how it can save your car and your wallet. Welcome to Insure, making car insurance less painful than a flat tire. We start by a simple landing page, welcome, and you get started. If you already signed into the application, you don't need to redo that. You'll be asked to log in, but if not, we provide the option of signing in, and I'll just fill in with dummy data. So the home screen, you're greeted by good morning. You'll have your username here. So in this case, I'm using test email, so it's username, and you have your profile over here. This is a carousel where it will be used for marketing on the go. So you'll have a variety of products being marketed, and you won't have to necessarily search for them. On to the interesting part. Tired of insurance agents? We've implemented an automotive claim where you just need to key in your full name, your phone number, your email, select vehicle make. So we pulled from a variety of vehicle makes, which once you click on a make, it will filter down to the particular models that particular make has. So in this case, Mercedes-Benz, and they're all these make. So we have S-Class, G-Class. Let me just take a CLS for the fun of it. You populate the year of the vehicle. So purchased it 2018. Then I key in the number plate. So TTFG, for example. Then you'll be asked or prompted to enter the accident date. After that, you just need to upload an abstract from the police or a PDF that will be validated in the backend. The other feature is products. Here's where the fun begins. Let's say you're looking to purchase a product, maybe a premium product. So what you need to do is click on the drop down, select the premium type you'd prefer. I'll go with premium. I'll go with the premium package. So select on the premium. Again, boom, populates my name. Select the duration of the premium. So I want it to span from 12 March 2025 to 2026. That's fine. Then you'll be prompted to enter a phone number. And this is my phone number. I use it because what I'm trying to demonstrate here is the embedded M-Pesa push SDK, where you don't have to write or fill up a form, then the tiresome process of it. You just need to enter a phone number, enter all the necessary details. Then if you click on cancel, all these fields will be cleared. But if you click on purchase, let's see what happens. You'll be prompted on an M-Pesa. What you need to do is just enter your M-Pesa PIN, which I will not, because I do not have 15K to spend. So I'll let that slide. That's for the premium package. So there's a push notification in M-Pesa. And like I said, the more interesting bits gets here. So we embedded a location where it will help you find insurance providers while also be used for telematics, basically driver behavior, understanding the driver behavior. So once you enable the location and it fetches your exact location, this data will be populated in the analytics where you'll be able to have the claims, claims daily or weekly, monthly, depending on how frequently you claim, and also the driver behavior where you, based on the telematics, because we are trying to understand driver behavior, the underlying machine learning model will be able to log and send this data to the analytics. Since right now we're not doing any driving, there's no data to be populated in analytics. So it will send this data, and the logs that will be taken is either if you're a bad driver, if you brake harshly, you take sharp corners, you accelerate frequently, all this data will be here. And all this data will be able to be retrieved by insurance firms to be able to tailor particular packages to your needs so that they don't necessarily give a blanket package for everyone. So that's the purpose for this location. First and foremost, to help you find providers, but also for telematics and driver behavior. Then basically sign out. If you'd like to sign out of the application, you just click on the sign up button. But for the delete button, you'll be prompted to re-authenticate before deleting your account, because if you delete the account, that means you're deleting your whole entity from the database. So you have to re-authenticate and ensure that, yes, I would like to delete. But for sign out, it's straightforward. Click on the sign out, show up a pop-up message, and you're back to the login page where you'll have to re-enter your credentials again to sign in.
So using the skills that I gained from this training, I see I can be able to make apps that will help the community, like small business owners. I can also share my knowledge with other people who desire to know Swift and UI, and with that we can make a change.
Statistically speaking, in a small sample of 10, we tend to find that 7 of the people, the population sample, would have Android and the other 3 would have iOS. And so most of the applications that we have nowadays tend to lean towards the Android side. And so with this newly acquired skill set, I would like to now bridge the gap and make everybody feel included.
Looking forward to expanding my knowledge on iOS development, given it's a marginal field, very niche, that I would like to tap into the niche individuals as well who work into building the iOS ecosystem and impact the world positively, as well as collaborating workshops, fellow students, hopefully inspire them to join such programs and broaden their knowledge on iOS development. And most importantly, I'm looking to future-proof this application because I'm a firm believer if Tesla can self-drive, why can't insurance self-manage?